Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This is town square, finishes 12 inches. Here's the diagram, and it's 2 sizes of squares and 1 size of rectangle. Here are 4 blocks set block to block. This is a 3x3 grid, and it's a 12-inch block, so each unit in each grid space will finish at 4 inches for our 12-inch block. Patch A is a 4-inch finished square. We cut 4.5-inch squares. We'll need 4 patches for the background and 1 patch for the center. It's a dark fabric. Patch B is a 2-inch by 4-inch finished rectangle. We cut 4.5 by 2.5-inch rectangles, and we'll need 4 patches for these side units. Patch C is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2.5-inch squares. We'll need 4 patches for the background and 4 patches for the medium color fabric. All of the AccuQuilt dies to cut these shapes are listed here as well. Here are the 3 different fabrics and the cutting instructions for each of the 3 fabrics. For step 1, we're going to take the C and sew them together like this. And for step 2, we're going to sew a B patch onto the units we made in step 1. Here are the patches. This is patch A, the large squares. This is patch B, the rectangles, and patch C, the small squares. So we'll start with our patch C's and piece them together like this. Stitch them together and press the seams open. After you do that, we'll stitch a rectangle like this and press the seams open. And you'll make 4 of these. These side units should measure 4.5 inches now. And now we'll just put the block together. We'll start with the center square, and then the side units go like this. We're just following the diagram. Now you'll stitch the top units together, the middle and the bottom, press the seams, and then stitch the rows together. Thank you for watching.